Welcome to my home sweet cottage where life is simple and sweet. Snowy days in Arkansas are pretty few and far between. But when it does snow, I am very thankful. It always makes me feel like a kid again. On days like today, it brings back a lot of memories of my childhood. It seemed like every snow, we would walk over to my grandpa's house through the woods and up the hill, and we'd make some homemade snow ice cream. It kind of became a little tradition. Even whenever we got to be older and we still made sure to get to Grandpa's house for making snow ice cream. He's not with us anymore, but those memories will always live on, and we can carry that tradition on to our kids. We would have made some ice cream earlier in the day, but we figured it best to wait for the snow to get real thick. We didn't want to risk getting any dirt or grass in our ice cream. So we had to wait till after supper. And my daughter especially wasn't too happy about it, but usually the best things in life are worth waiting for. So it was a good little lesson, I guess you could say. When gathering snow for snow ice cream, you want to make sure to just skim off the very top of the snow. That way you're not getting any grass clippings or dirt in your fresh snow. Make sure you gather quite a bit of snow, because by the time you've added all of your ingredients, you're going to have it condensed down quite a bit. Now comes the fun part. All it takes is 3 ingredients: milk, sugar, and vanilla. But of course, you could change this up and do something crazy. You could add in fruit. You could add in cinnamon. You can make it any way you like. I highly suggest using raw milk from a local farmer. That way you're going to get some cream in there. There's obviously no way of knowing how much of each ingredient to add, so you just experiment and you keep adding until you get the flavor that you want. You're gonna have to mix it for quite a while to get the texture that you want, and if there's plenty of milk in there, that will surely help. Unfortunately, I didn't have quite enough vanilla to get the flavor that we were wanting, so since I ran out, we used some maple syrup instead. And it actually turned out really well. I was surprised. Once you have the flavor exactly where you want it and the texture is perfect, then you are ready to enjoy. But make sure you eat it fast because it'll melt quick. I'm so excited to share this simple little tradition with my kids, and I hope that you do too. It's something that everyone in the family enjoys doing and taking part in one way or another. I just love how the best memories are usually the ones that were the most simple. It's easy to just go and buy some ice cream from the store, but it's not as magical as snow ice cream. And it's not as special because of the memories that you create when you make it together. As we were enjoying our ice cream, the electricity went out, so we pulled out our lanterns and enjoyed it by the flickering light, and that made it even more magical, and my kids loved it. We had such a good evening. If you enjoyed today's video, I hope that you would subscribe and stick around with us and watch videos to come. And please make sure that you like this video and comment down below your thoughts on our snow ice cream. I hope you all the best.